Holiday Inn. 1908. Okay. So 1908. 1908. This is the room. 1908. Cabinet, then here iron stand, iron, then here is the coffee, hidden spring water, cream, sugar, tea, coffee, spoon, and in the refrigerator none. So here in the CR you can see body wash and body lotion with the amenities, dental kit and vanity kit. So here we can see the shampoo and conditioner, towels, and then the really stunning view of Ortigas. Wow, the bed and the stunning view of Ortigas view. Corner room. Many views. Beautiful. Hello guys, so this is the pool view. Wow, very beautiful. My cake, my birthday Kathleen girl, 21 years old. 21. Wow, happy birthday. Birthday 21 years old. Okay, 1 years old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kathleen. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kathleen.
Happy birthday,
Kathleen. Happy birthday, Kathleen. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kathleen.
Oh, blow na. Wish ka muna, wish. Ano wish mo? Tapos blow. Blow. Ayan, nandiyan ka tabi. Oh, yun, knife. Hiwa mo na. Teka, picture muna. Dali. Oh, hiwa mo na. Okay. Yan, sikat din. Yung cake niya. Picture.
It's Kathleen's birthday. July 2022.
doing?
Waiting for the client's reply.
I'm now here and we're gonna swim in the swimming pool. So come on, let's go. We're going now here in the swimming pool.
Inn Ortigas, the birthday of my daughter, Bday.
Hello, we're here in Holiday Inn. It's my birthday. It's ulit birthday.
I'm here in the pool bar.
Pool bar. Very beautiful pool bar. We can sit and drink alcohol in the back. There's Jose Cuervo, Chivas, and many imported brands. Jim Beam. So if you want to drink, just come here. Waterfalls. This is what the kids like, waterfalls. So guys, we're going to eat breakfast today in Seven Corners Restaurant. So come on, let's go to the 4th floor, which is the Seven Corners. To the Seven Corners Restaurant. Seven Corners. Seven Corners. Mac, egg, pork and sardines, mustard sauce, egg, vegetable, dal sambar, then tempura, curry, my favorite miso soup, congee, juices, water. Breakfast of the Seven Corners restaurant. Pork longganisa, chicken tocino, beef tapa, then macaroni. Gym, anytime fitness. So this is their gym for hotel guests. So this is anytime fitness combined with they have really complete equipment because this is owned by Anytime Fitness. So they have the what you call this? The treadmill, and then so it is complete, and then they have I think this is for Zumba, and then they have the Zumba studio there, so it's complete. This hotel, you know, Robinson's Galleria, they're connected to each other. So before we check out, we're gonna see the Robinson's Galleria connecting to here. So this is going to Robinson's Galleria. Yay! Checking out. It's not my birthday anymore. Aww. View during day. Then bye-bye. 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 Checking out now here in the counter. Okay. For today, guys, so what I learned here is it's very beautiful Holiday Inn. The bed is soft, then the breakfast is it's kind of delicious, and that's it. I'll rate 4 over 5. Thank you, everyone. God bless, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, almost all of you are not yet subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.